Tomorrow on 4th June, Thursday, we will be organizing a mega camp under Mhaje Ghar Yojana in Rabindra Bhavan, Madgoa. The camp will commence at 9 o'clock in the morning. All the SDMs, Mamladas, Talatis, ISLR, BDO and Chief Officers of Salsad, Mormuko Taluka, Ponda Taluka, Kepe Taluka, Sanke Taluka, Dharbandora and Kankon will be present during the camp. The applicants who have collected the forms under Mhaje Ghar Yojana for various schemes such as for 20-point program, for regularization of encroachments in the government land, for regularization of encroachments in the Comunidad land, for pre-Nandi 72 structures, then from the Panchayat and municipalities can approach the camp. In the Taluka camp, we will be disposing of the application which have been pending here. Now the applicants are requested to come forward with the supporting documents which are required to dispose of their application and approach the Taluka Mamladas who will be present in the camp, and then we will be disposing of the applications. Tomorrow around 11 o'clock, Honorable Chief Minister Sir will be distributing the title documents, certificates and other orders which will be processed tomorrow in the camp and which are otherwise pending. So I request all the applicants to make use of the camp which is organized under Mhaje Ghar Yojana tomorrow in Madgoa. The camp will commence at 9 o'clock. It is for both South Goa district and Kushavarti district. Thank you.